Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Crude oil prices have fallen after news of a deadlock at the OPEC meeting in Vienna over the weekend. OPEC is trying to work out and implement the framework for an output reduction deal that was made in September. A sit down between non-OPEC producers, including Brazil and Russia, also appeared to end fruitlessly. Stocks are a little changed today, helped by positive economic data and investors reacting positively to a series of big mergers announced over the weekend, and of course the presidential election. Along with the election, investors have two significant events on the economic calendar this week: a meeting of the Federal Reserve and the October jobs report. It's almost certain that the Fed will not raise rates so close to the election and will wait until December meeting to do so. However, any economic observations from the bank will be important to investors. The jobs report will be the last major piece of economic data out before the November 8th election, so definitely tune in that. With that, I thought we'd take a couple key levels to look at for next month as we're wrapping up October here. And with that, happy Halloween to everybody as well. And we'll start with the S&P 500. Currently down the month 1.8%. Currently with a chart analysis score -70. We have a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. A key level to watch for the S&P 500 will be 2,114.72. If we were to move below that level, we'll issue a red monthly trade triangle indicating a move to a short position and a long-term downtrend. Moving along to the Dow, you also see 3 down months just like the S&P 500. Currently down about 0.8% on the month with a chart analysis score of -55. Green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. A key level to watch for the Dow next month will be 17,959.95. If we were to move below that level, we would issue a red monthly trade triangle indicating a long-term downtrend. Moving along to the NASDAQ, a couple positive months, and now we have a red down month, currently down 2.29% for the month. We have a chart analysis score of -70 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the NASDAQ will be 5,098.80. If we were to move below that level, we would issue a red monthly trade triangle indicating a short position and a long-term downtrend. Moving along to the dollar index, currently trading up for the month 3.1%. Chart analysis score of +75 with a green weekly and monthly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the dollar will be 94.09. Move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle indicating a move to this short position and a long-term downtrend. If you're looking for a red weekly exit, you check Friday's post video. I gave you your weekly exit for the dollar this week, so be sure to check that out. Here we have crude oil, currently down a little over 3% for the month, currently trading at 47.12. Chart analysis scored -70. We have a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. We can actually go ahead and we'll pop this into a daily chart real quick to take a look. And we'll back this in. You can actually see down today 2.75% after the failing of the OPEC meeting to get any agreement in place or plan in place for the current level. Our key level to watch for crude oil will be 41.58 on a monthly level. If we get below that level, a red monthly trade triangle indicating a move to a short position and a long-term downtrend for crude oil. Wrapping up with gold, currently down 3.24% for the month. With the chart analysis score of -70, we have a red monthly and red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch next month for gold, should it move above the 1,374.20 level, we would issue a green monthly trade triangle indicating a long position and an overall long-term uptrend. If you're looking for your daily entry point back into a short position, check out last week's video update where I gave you that. With that, have a great evening, everybody. Enjoy Halloween.